Once you've downloaded the Blue app, sign in and connect to your smart toothbrush. Make sure your Bluetooth is switched on. You can also connect to your kids' brushes to monitor their brushing and allow access to their dentist as well as yours so they can get a better idea of your brushing routine. Personalize your information on the Settings tab. I've chosen sensitive teeth and a darker shade, and I'm being advised to brush using the sensitive mode. I am now changing the brushing time to 2.5 minutes and setting a brushing reminder for twice a day every day. When it's time to brush, go to the Brushing tab. Follow the screen with your brush and the areas you've cleaned will turn white. You will be notified if you're in the wrong place. When you're done, a summary will show up on the History tab with some advice for next time. You can also compare your brushing to previous days, months and years on the Statistics tab. If you need some tips, there's some information on how to floss, brush and keep your teeth healthy. Lastly, order your new brush heads directly from the app when the blue bristles fade.